Hello students, welcome to English Edge. These are a series of educational videos meant exclusively for the students of the Central Board of Secondary Education 8th, 9th and 10th. My intention is to make you proficient in your language skills. That includes writing skills, comprehension skills and grammar. Now today's topic is analytical paragraphs. This is a writing skill that has been introduced by the board with the intention of improving the analyzing, comprehension and logical conclusion skills of the students. A particular data is given to you. You are expected to analyze the matter that is given to you, compare the matters and then come to a conclusion. Now, there are many types of analytical paragraphs, but today I will be dealing with the data-based ones. And in that, bar graphs is the one which is coming up. Please look at your screens. On the screen, you can see a bar graph. This is called a bar graph in which the graph has got bars or columns in it. Now this is dealing with the changes in public behavior in X city in 2 years. Now on the horizontal axis you can see behavior like spitting in public, smoking in public, defacing walls with graffiti and posters, dumping garbage at public places and streets, blaring loudspeakers. And on the vertical axis you can see a whole lot of numbers from 100 to 1000. Indicating the number of incidents that have taken place in both the years. Let us take the years as 2023 and 2024. Now what you are to step 1 is please analyze the given data. Now the first one, if we take spitting in public, in the year 2023 there were 229 cases and which has decreased to 78, which is a very positive change. Now, it is not enough that you just write that in the year 2023, the spitting in public was 229 cases and it has come down to 78. You have presented the data in statement form. That's all. You have not analyzed it. To show that you're analyzing it, at least in 1 or 2 cases, you should take a percentage. The percentage of fall or the percentage of rise should also be calculated. The next we go to smoking in public. Smoking in public was 481 in the year 2023 and which has fallen to 92 in the year 2024, which is a very positive change in the public, showing that the awareness campaigns have been very successful. Defacing walls with graffiti has unfortunately risen drastically from 457 to 983, showing almost doubling. While dumping garbage at public places in streets has almost remained stable, not showing any awareness or changes in behavior at 1009-2012. The final one, blaring loudspeakers, unfortunately has also not shown much awareness or changes in the public because it has fallen from 761 to 690 only, hardly a 20, maybe even just about 15% fall. So this is your present. So now you have analyzed and comprehended the data. Now you have to put it in written form. The bar graph presents some data on changes in public behavior in X city in the current year 2024 as compared to last year 2023. The 5 behaviors given is spitting in public, smoking in public, defacing walls with graffiti and posters, throwing litter at public places and in streets, and the blaring noise from loudspeakers. A First, a couple of things to cheer about. So let us take the positive changes. As is clear from the data, there has been a nearly 66% fall in the number of incidents of spitting. Only 78 cases were registered as against 229 registered last year. Similar in the cases of smoking has decreased dramatically from 481 cases reported last year to a mere 92, a fall of more than 80%, showing us that the awareness campaigns have been very successful. By sharp contrast, the menace of defacing walls with graffiti and posters had more than doubled from 457 cases last year. It recorded 983 cases in the current year, while the use of blaring loudspeakers has also come down marginally from 690 as compared to last year 761. Not much has changed in people's habit of dumping garbage at public places and in streets. Overall, the public behavior of the people in X-City has shown improvements in a couple of counts like spitting and smoking, but a lot remains to be done in the defacing public property with graffiti and dumping garbage in public places. Similarly, the use of loudspeaker further needs to be reduced, showing that we should have more awareness campaigns to make the public conscious of their behavior and the negative aspects of such behavior. Please remember that 100 to 120 words is the maximum you are allowed to write. So we have to stick to a certain limitation. Now, to make it, I hope you have understood what I have been trying to convey. Now, hope you have understood what I have been trying to convey. To test the level of your understanding, I will be giving below a question which you can answer and then mail it to me on my given email ID. I will check it and return it to you so that you are more confident that you have understood. I am also confident that you have understood what I have been trying to convey. Thank you. See you again next week with the next analytical paragraph. Bye for now.